guys, I am Drew Computer Master, and this is my first toy review. Probably going to be my only toy review if there's many. Okay, these are the toys I will be reviewing. The Steve set, the pickaxe, the diamond pickaxe, the enderman head. Hey, I'm going to be doing this one first, smallest to the base. Alright, this is the Steve. I got this at Target for $10. You can get it at Toys R Us for $12. There are 4 of them. Steve, Enderman, the Creeper, and the Zombie. You can see all the details if you pause the video.
Or yes.
Alright, so this is the Steve. It comes with the iron pickaxe, himself, Steve, and a coal block. Okay, so yeah, he's pretty cool. This can go this way and that way. Yeah, both of them can. Whoa, that was a light flicker. His arms can go 360s. And his hands.
What about his head?
Oh yeah, his head can go spin 360 this way and pop off.
All of it? Like all of his body parts?
Yeah, all his arm. Yeah, all of his body parts are poppable. That light is so flickery. He has these little things in his hands. Both of them. So if you want him to be left-handed or right-handed, yeah, the arms pop off, but they're trouble to get on. So yeah, the iron pick is pretty cool. Looks pretty good. It's not. I don't know. I just want to show you one thing about the box. There's no bottoms to the pickaxes. Okay. Without further ado, the coal block.
I don't think it would really matter though, because you can't see it.
It's not a coal block. It's a coal ore block. Okay. Yep. It's pretty much that. All right. On to the next toy. And now, the diamond pickaxe. Alright, so, yeah. It's pretty up to scale. It has all the right colors in all the right places. And it has made in China here. Then, yeah, it says foam diamond pickaxe, ages 6 and up. Only at Toys R Us, because at Target, they're only iron everything, because there's a diamond sword and a diamond pickaxe.
It kind of looks iron with the lighting.
It's diamond, okay? Okay. So, on the back it has... There we go.
It is focused.
Okay, pause the video right. So, yeah. If you pause the video right now, you can read that. And I'll read it to you later, maybe. Okay. It was made by ThinkInc and Mojang. And, yeah, it has, like, the Minecraft, like, you know how, when you buy Minecraft, like, game things where you have to register it on Mojang, it has those mobs and stuff. And that concludes my pickaxe reviewing. Now, on to my favorite. Now, the Enderman. Wait, where's the Enderman head? Oh my gosh! Is it just you, Bailey? Or are you an enderman? We'll just get behind. Oh my god! Oh, why? I fell on the go. Oh god, she's gonna kill me. Oh no. Alright. I think I need to review this. I need to review this. I don't want to get. Oh no. Okay, now time for the review. Okay. Now it's the Enderman head review. Yeah. So it's pretty good, except the eye in the middle is pink. This is supposed to be pink, and that's supposed to be purple. Why? Who cares? All right. All right. Now, okay. It says it has a pretty good storyline to it. Shucks, I wish I could be cool. Gee willikers, this is what I've always wanted. Okay. It is the amazing cardboard. Made of 100% cardboard. Ding! Head! Newest, greatest fun maker ever. Alright. And
It's got some pretty nifty directions.
Yep.
Telling you how to make it.
All
You
right.
really don't need to look at that unless you threw away the paper. So I will show you.
Okay, look. Down at the bottom. This is the only way you can put on your head. Okay. Hold overhead. Gently lower. Boom. Okay. Now I will show you how it's put up. The circular thing is supposed to go at the top, so it'll hold your head.
And it says that thing right there, but I can't zoom in. I'm sorry, people.
Yeah, you can. Here.
No, I can't. Oh my gosh, I can!
It says cut to adjust. If your head's fatter at the top, yeah. People think it's at the bottom, but no. Okay. So, yeah. I think this thing gives you magical powers. I put it on backwards, didn't I?
Yep. Yeah.
I'm going to teleport. 3, 2, 1. Oh, already teleported. I'm going to teleport again by ending the video. 3, 2,